Okay. We're on a 6 to 30, bro. There we go. So we don't have to. Yep, there she goes. Just go back on. Take a look. And I've got no pressure. Okay guys, yeah, we're cooked. It's okay though. I just have the most terrible formula of brake clean you've ever seen. This shit sucks. It literally smells like bug spray. But you know what? It says it does the job, so we'll believe them, I guess. It dries fast enough, I guess. That's all we got. Yeah, it literally smells like bug spray. What the fuck? We're looking for that bar right there. You can see it. Okay. 1, 2. Space apparently. Let's go, boys. How's that? A little bit below 1. You know what? For now, that's good. We'll leave her there. Good enough. Let's see. Right in the middle, bud. Right in the middle, bud. You can't even see that, can you? Right in the middle. We're good to go. Just make sure that's tight on there. That's good enough. Good enough. So, she's got to be perfect. Let's get her filled with oil. Now's the fun part. Now's the part where I almost spill everything. Ready? Here we go. 6,000 grams. 6,000 grams. Make sure you change oil. Make sure, because no one has to change oil. Make sure you want to do that. Let's go. And that is what we call good enough. Change your oil every 6K. Don't wait 10, boys. We are not the dealership. Unless you're on warranty, don't do that. Okay. Look. There's your food. Okay, everyone, that's how you change your oil in under an hour. If you like the video, you know what to do, thumbs up. If you like the cats, you know what to do, thumbs up. If you like both of those things, subscribe. And leave any comments or anything you got in the comments. I'll get back to you guys. We're all good to go. See you guys next time.